Sometimes a quadratic function is not going to have any zeros, or rather, it's not going to have any real zeros. So it's not going to cross your real axis, your x number line. Let's see here. Let's use the quadratic function to show that x squared plus 1 doesn't have any real zeros. So the zeros of any quadratic equation can be solved for with the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Applied to our problem, minus 0 plus or minus square root 0 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what do we get here? 0 plus or minus square root. And what's the discriminant? 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Well, that's just 0 squared minus 4. And that's why we're not going to get any real zeros here, because you cannot take the square root of a negative number. So if your discriminant is negative, then this does not exist. You can't complete this operation. You can't take the square root of minus 4. So that's not a real zero. In fact, if you look at the graph, this is the x squared function just shifted up by 1 unit. It never crosses your x-axis. It doesn't have any real zeros.